Hello, my name is Dane Arrigo, and today I'll be showing you the automated test cases in Javadoc for them. So, right here we have 5 automated tests. Test usernames 1, and let me just test username 1, 2, 3, valid email and not valid email. These essentially test the username recognizer and email validator classes. So, the username tests. Pretty much the way these work is that they call on a class username test class, whose sole purpose is to test the username and recognizer since it requires a bit of finesse to work. So basically the way this works is that it sends this username right here, which should be valid, and it expects a result of true since it is a valid username. So yeah, I just sent it over here, which then this essentially, looks over the result of the name recognizer class and returns true or false based off if it gives an error message or not. And that's essentially a gist for these two right here, except for this one returns this one sends a username that is just shy of the character limit, so it should be false. And this one right here sends an empty string, which should also return false. These two are pretty straightforward. These two just sends email strings directly to the validator. This one sends a valid email, and this one sends an invalid one. This one ex, this one expects a true as the output. The main difference between these two is the at symbol, and this one expects a false output from the email validator. If we look at the application tests, as you can see, all the as you can see, all the tests were successful. All the automated tests were successful. Now, onward to the Javadoc. As you can see, we have 5 documentations here. We have for the test, we have right here, and you can see all the theoretical output down at the bottom here that essentially shows all it off. So basically, so yeah, just kind of see. I the source I went to said I don't need authored or versions. I only need those for classes and interfaces. As you can see, these are not classes or interfaces, they are tests, so those don't apply here. Also, none of the tests either return or have parameters, so those are allowed. But I did include C things for any related the classes, basically ones they do test, and for the username ones, the test class. Anyways, onto the output of this. We can go here, hit next, finish, and that'll create Javadoc, which will be right here. These are other versions. And right here we can see the methods used. For some reason, some of the other ones aren't outputting valid stuff, but I'm on a time crunch here, and here. So yeah, that's essentially everything to do with these. I hope you have a great time listening to this. Hopefully you can actually understand me talking, and yeah, have a good one.